Hello friends, I'm Rich. I'm in our factory. Now I will introduce our sample line to you. This is our slide-in track of a manual powder coating line. And the conveyor system consists of support post, fixed track, and sliding track. This also painted by powder and is made of hot rolled steel. Is also powdered, is also springed by powder, stable, durable, and anti-corrosion. Let's look at the post. The base is welded on the post, and the post and the beam is designed according to the max weight of your workpieces, and the size has 80 millimeters, 100 millimeters, and 150 millimeters, and the thickness has 3 to 5 millimeters. It's optional, and this is the fixed tracks. 3 tracks are one group. The tracks can be designed according to the output. We can slide the tracks easily according to the installed bearings. When we slide in this place, we can see there is a pneumatic link. Because we have no compressed air power, so we do it manually. So like this. As you can see, it's up. Then we slide in. Still will be connected. And this area is our loading area. Then we slide in this place. Our workpiece slide in the track like this area. This area is for pre-treatment spring booth or kerning oven. When the workpiece is finished, this is our unloading area. This is the conveyor chains installed on the pre-treatment and powder coating booth on the top of the booth or the shed. Okay, today is our introduction, and I'm Rich. Welcome to visit. Thank you.